People be complaining how hard it is to make money, bro. It's really not that hard, bro. Today, I'm finna give y'all 5 different methods. This is 5 methods if you don't have like no experience with Discord, except for like number 1 and 2. Number 1 and 2, you might need a little bit of skills, like a little bit of background experience. But 3 and 4 and 5, you don't need no skill set. All right, so let's get into number 1. Freelance. Say I'm an artist. Let's see how fast I'll find an art server. Would you look at that? Boom. And you gotta know to find the right server too. Just because it say got a bunch of online members don't mean it's active. But this is just like a temporary server. You know, let me give y'all an idea of what you'll come across. So boom, we got dev chat. It's pretty dead. Last time they said anything was yesterday at 2:55 p.m. Art chat yesterday at 3:57 p.m. So you gotta look, bro. You really gotta look for those like active servers where the devs are active, the members are active. Like, look at all these people online, but nobody is typing in these channels. But just look around, and you will get that bread, bro. You'll find your place. Number 2, become a paid Discord admin. Now, you don't want to be looking like, you know, hold on. You don't want to be like these dudes, bro. Like, this is not like the best idea. This is if you at your lowest of lows and you just need bread. If you can't find nothing other than to just monitor little kids online, babysit online, then this is the place for you. It's a really weird position to be in, but if you really need that bread, and if you really just like looking over kids online, then I guess this is what you want, bro. I'm only recommending it to the people out there that's like really, really struggling for bread. Don't got a job. They're looking strictly for Discord jobs. This is for you. You probably gonna accumulate some weight. You know what I'm saying? You might be looking like one of these dudes, but I mean, bread is bread. Now let's get into the nitty gritty. From here on out, you don't need no type of experience. Before I even tell the next method, I'm gonna just go ahead and let something be said. You're not gonna make no type of bread in life if you don't exploit something. If you get an opportunity, you gotta exploit it like that, bro. You really gotta hop on top of it. Everybody exploited something. Every rich person you know, they exploited something, even if they went to school. It's not all luck, bro. It's grind, exploitation, and luck. Number 3. Now y'all gonna be like, what, bro? Yes, bro. Sell video game currency. Bro, I know so many stupid ass 2K players that will buy like boosting. I forgot what it's called. They like boost their levels up. They play like faulty games against noobs. They be paying people to lose against them so they can get a higher rank or something. People get on ops and then play them. Bro, take advantage of that. Let me list down something. 2K. That's one game. One comes out once a year. You need 2 consoles. Once you get 2 consoles, all you need to do is join a 2K Discord server and be like, hey, I'll boost you. I'll boost you if you pay me a little price. Say about $10 per boost. Or a matter of fact, you can charge by the time. You be like, all right, I'll do $50 an hour. Let's say you just hopping off of work. You already gonna play 2K anyways, bro. This your main game. Bet, hop on the alt, mess around a little bit, throw a couple lobs. Like I said, exploit what you got. If it's some kids that want some extra boosting levels, fuck it, exploit it, bro. If it's some teenagers that would rather buy levels than focus on his grind, exploit it. Exploit that. Roblox. Now, I'm gonna show y'all a real life example of this. Let's go to a Universal Town. Now what they got in here is they got skins, and the way their skins work is you roll a crate, and the crate you get a certain amount of percentage to get a certain amount of skin. They got mythics, they got legendaries, and then they got epics, and then common, and then uncommon. Bro, when I tell you there is a server on okay, hold on. Matter of fact, so they got their own server right now. They got their own community right now. I probably can't, I got banned from it because I started joining one of the other servers where you can just buy it. People was like, it was on, alright, so there's one main server, and then there's an offset server, and people would just be like, cash out me $10 for this skin, or cash out me $13 for this skin. And I tell you, it's such a better method than going here and then spending all your Robux trying to roll a crate. It's literally gambling for kids. They exploiting children, so you exploit them. You know what I'm saying? Make a Discord server, be like, bet, You don't have to spend no more crates. Just cash at me this amount and you get this skin. You gotta look for stuff that's not already been done. So those have already been done. 2K, you can probably work yourself in there if you get a good reputation. Let's look at some up and coming games. If you ever played this game before, you know that they have dinosaurs and they have those little cryopods that you can put dinosaurs in, and you can sell dinosaurs, because it be taking, it's so hard to get a good dinosaur, and it's so hard to tame one of those gigas or those T-Rexes, bro. It's so hard if you're a new player. You gotta spend so much time to get dinosaurs. But literally, if you go on, say you know a good hacker, or say you're somewhat decent at this game, bro, ground some dinosaurs, put them in cryopods, make you a Discord server. There's only 2 servers on this board with Ark Dino, probably because people don't play it as much. It could also be because this server is wiping out all competition. They got 546 people online. That's probably the same amount of people that's playing Ark right now, because it's a dead game. It's a dying game. But when Ark 2 come out, if it still had the same cryopods, I'm pretty sure it's gonna have the same cryopods. You get you a Discord server, you grind you some dinos, sell them on Discord. It's that easy. After that, here's what we got. Sell your Discord server. Now I know y'all are probably like, but you said no skill required. I don't have a Discord server. I don't have a lot of members. You really don't need none for this method. This is what you do. Say you're making a server. Start from a template, or look up templates online. Use template. Oh my God. Whatever. I'm not doing that. But say you got a template. You got all these, bro. You did all that just from a copy and paste of a template. Boom. Now all you need is your roles and your members. Would you look at that? It's purple because I clicked on these. I did a little bit of research before I even joined. I'm not gonna tell you to click on any of these sites and buy any bots, because I don't want to be responsible if you get scammed. Just do your research, and you could just look at this. $100 for 3K member server. $200 for a 20K to 1KK Discord server. Do you see this? Like, you can't make this up, bro. You really can't make this up. Find you a website to sell it on, or go on this board and find you a Discord server to sell it on, and sell your Discord server. Now, let's get into the final one. Y'all probably thinking, bro, what's better than selling the game currency or selling the Discord server that I fabricated? Listen up. I'm just copy and paste the link, bro. That's all I'm gonna do. Number 5. If you really want to make money on Discord with no type of work, bro, you don't want to put no type of grind in, go to this link. I'm gonna link it in a YouTube video. It's basically like playing the lottery, except for you get even better odds of winning. Let's do a server tour. So, say if there was 10,000 people in this server. If there's 10,000 people in this server, the 10K that comes from the 10K online people that plays goes straight back to y'all. You can increase your odds of winning by purchasing multiple placements. But if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. You could play once a month. If there's 10,000 people in the server, that's $1 a month with the potential of winning $10,000. If you're playing a lottery, you're competing with everyone across the United States. If you're playing in here and there's 10,000 people in here, you're competing with only 10,000 people. And here's how it all goes. Put in your dollar, you place an order, boom. As soon as you send your dollar, they count it. They count it all. It'll be right in announcements. It'll be like, okay, such and such send $1. This is the prize pool. Each time someone sends $1, prize pool update and announcements. It keeps updating, it keeps updating, it keeps updating until like an hour before the drawing starts. Who knows how much bigger this server will get in the future? Once they get more and more staff, more and more moderators, more and more vouchers, who knows how big this server can get? There could be 100,000 people. You're putting in $1 to potentially win $100,000. Now, of course, you're competing with 100,000 people to get that $100,000 prize pool. But at the same time, if you've ever played a lottery and you've seen those people that win online, and you're like, Jesus, they're so lucky. They've competed with everyone in the United States to match all these numbers and then get all the numbers right. Oh my gosh. No, bro. You don't have to match no numbers. All you have to do is get your name pulled out of a box. Now, that's $1 minimum. You can, of course, you can put in $5 to have your name placed on a spinning board 5 times to increase your chance of winning. But think about the lottery for the United States. Think about the lotteries across the world. Bro, you're competing with millions upon millions of people to win that prize pool. Let's look at the odds of winning the lottery. That's insane, bro. The odds of winning the Powerball jackpot. It's 1 in 292 million, and there isn't much a player can do to increase those chances. So if you buy lottery tickets, bro, throw those away and join the server. And I'm not saying make this your daily habit, always come here and drop $1. No, use the other methods I taught you. You make some money from those, drop $1. Now, if you drop $1 a month from the methods I told you, you will increase your chances of making even more money. That's all I'm saying. If you don't want to play, you don't have to play. Like I said in this channel right here, we got multiple channels, bro. We got multiple channels that you can just chat in about cars, about anime, about gaming, about art, about your media, and we allow advertising. If you want to advertise, go to media. That's where we allow advertising. Use those methods I told you, join our server, advertise, get more bread, come back to our server, drop $1, get more money. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and peace out.